I'm going to show you how to connect Analyzer with more than 750 apps using Zapier. Zapier makes it easier to create automated workflows, since it connects Analyzer with the apps you use every day, and data is automatically transferred from one app to another. To show you how it works, I'm going to use an example. I'm going to connect Analyzer with MailChimp. MailChimp is an email marketing service. Now I have a form where people can subscribe to my mailing list by providing their email and name. Instead of transferring these manually, I want it to be done automatically. So once people click End Survey here, I want their emails to be subscribed here. This is my mailing list inside MailChimp called Pure Digital. As you can see, I already have one subscriber from Zapier. So to get started, let's go to Zapier.com. Now you can start by creating a free account, and if you already have one, you can just log in. Click on Make Zap and choose your trigger app, which in this case is Analyzer. If you don't have it in your apps, simply find it here by using the search bar. As you can see, this app is going to be triggered when a respondent completes my survey. Now you would have to connect an account. I've already connected mine. If you haven't, click on Connect an Account and click Grant Access. If you're not logged in, you would have to log in and then grant access. You can edit the name of your account here and click Save and Continue when you're done. Click on the drop-down menu and select the survey you're going to be using. For me, is the Pure Digital mailing list, and continue. Everything looks fine, so let's just fetch the data and continue. The test was successful, so we now can continue to add our action app, which in this case is MailChimp. The action that I want to be taken is that I want to add a new subscriber when a new respondent has completed my survey. So it would be this one, and or update subscriber. Continue. It would be the same here as we did before, connecting your MailChimp account. I've already done that. Just have to log in and it will be connected. And again, you can edit the name of your account if you need to do so. Now this is the template that you need to set up. And as you can see, there are some required fields and some that are optional. Let's start with the first one since it's required. You have to pick the list in your MailChimp account where all of your subscribers are going to go in. I only have one and it's called Pure Digital. Now the subscriber email has to be the email your respondents provide. To do that, click on the Insert a Field icon and select Email down here. You can see the Analyzer logo next to email. That's because this is the field from our survey. Now, there are several optional fields you can define. For example, sending a confirmation email before they appear on your list. For this demonstration, I'm going to select no, but I recommend that you say yes. There are other optional fields that you can take a look at so you can personalize this workflow even further. For now, I'm just going to click Continue. Again, create and continue. And Zapier is going to show that the test was successful. Finish. Name your SAP. And turn your SAP on. It's that simple. You can see it on your dashboard. Is a library of all the SAPs you've created. So far we only have one. And now I think we need to test this out. So I'm going to fill out this survey. And now I'm going to go check my mailing list and see if it's there. As we can see, Isa at puredigital.com has been subscribed to my email list, and the source is Zapier. Let's try another example, this time using the action that Analyzer provides, which is creating a respondent. So we just tested the trigger, which is new respondent completed, and now we're going to create a respondent, which is an action based on another trigger. To show you this, I'm going to make an integration between Google Sheets and Analyzer. So let's pretend that your company recently held an event, for example, a workshop or a conference, and you want to send a follow-up survey and get some feedback on the event. Currently, you're using Google Sheets to store participant information, and you want to continue doing that. Your Google Sheets could look something like this: first name, last name, email, and you could have even more information such as address, phone number, etc. With the integration I'm about to show you, you'll send a survey to your participants by adding them to your Google Sheets or updating their information. For example, you can see here Megan Morgan. If Megan Morgan tomorrow we found out changed her email, we will simply update the email field and she would receive a new survey for the event had she attended it. So you can see my Google Sheets spreadsheet is called Pure Digital Summer Participant List, and I have a tab or a worksheet called 2017 Summer Conference, but more on that later. Now let's go back to Zapier and click on Make a SAP, just like we did before. For this SAP, you're going to need Google Sheets as your trigger app. Select your trigger. For this example is new or updated spreadsheet row, and continue. I've already connected my account. If you want to connect your account, click here, select your account, and click Allow. Let's continue. In the drop-down menu, find your spreadsheet. Mine is called Pure Digital Summer Participant List. And your worksheet. Mine is 2017 Summer Conference. This is quite useful since my spreadsheet is for the whole summer. So were I to have more than one event during the summer, I can store all this information in different sheets. Anyway, the final one is optional. It's called Trigger Column and triggers on changes to cells in this column only. Now, the default one is any column, but I want it to be triggered only when I change the email. Let's continue. Click Fetch and continue. The test is successful, so continue. And now choose your action app. This case is Enalyzer. This is the Create Respondent action. Save and continue. Connect your account as I showed you before. Save and continue. Select your survey. In this case, it would be Pure Digital Summer Conference 2017. Now you must fill in the first name, last name, and email fields, which are taken from your Google Sheets spreadsheet. To do that, click on the Insert a Field icon and select the first name for first name, last name for last name, and email for email. As you can see, we have the Google Sheets logo right next to each of these fields, meaning that they're going to be fed the data that goes into the Google Sheets. When you're done, click Continue. Create and continue. Test is successful. Click Finish and name your SAP. Turn it on and go and check it out in your dashboard. Let's try it out. Let's fill this in. Now in a couple of seconds, Laura Thompson should be receiving an email to participate in our survey. Here's the invitation. Hi, Laura Thompson. Let's check out the survey. If you go to your survey and check out your respondents by clicking Collect, you'll see that Laura Thompson has just finished and been invited to participate on your survey. And that's it. It's as simple as that. We invite you to check our integrations page where you can see our most popular templates for our most popular integrations. If you have any ideas, you're always welcome to let us know by clicking on the heart at the bottom and sharing your ideas with us, or giving us a rating.